Jeff Heen here. So I just got Rivian software update 2024.31.01. This one has some pretty cool updates, including one for the auto mode and climate. This is something that has never worked quite right. Instead of having a bunch of different settings in auto, now there's low, medium, and high. They've introduced some really cool color themes for the in-cabin ambient lighting, and they have sounds that go along with them. And lastly, they added an update to pet mode so that you can reduce the cabin temperature to below 68 degrees. Now it'll go to 63 degrees. And I know Jessica, our dog, gets a little too hot at 68. I remember we were in Vermont one time. It was cold out and we put her in pet mode and she was panting a little bit when we got back. So 63 degrees is way better for the dogs, both in the winter and in the summer. And thanks to Out of Spec Pets for that one. There you go, Rivian software update 2024.31.01. Remember to like and subscribe for more videos about Rivian, Tesla, Wi-Fi, and tech products.